Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. This week we are checking out BLUETTI's brand new portable power station. We had to get out of the city for a minute and get into the wilderness. We're up here in the Northeast. These mountains are beautiful. The lakes are amazing, and it's definitely the place to get away and get your mind off everything and just relax a little bit. We got BLUETTI back because they just released the Elite 100 V2 portable power station. But if you're in a hurry and just looking for a discount, you can use my promo code AdventureTech, get an additional discount on top of the price. Use the links in the comments or the description. You get right over to this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. For everybody else, let's jump in and see what this new portable power station has to offer. This is a really nice medium portable power station, but it's got some really big output on it at 1800 watt continuous. Total of 11 smart output ports. The Elite 100 V2 powers up your devices all at once. No overloads, no compromises. Delivering 1800 watts continuous output, 3600 watt peak power with hypervolt. Just 25 pounds, and it's ultra compact and easy to carry with its hidden handle. I love the way the handle is because this makes it easy to stack. I do not like the handles that pop up or protrude from the top. I like this much better. And it handles everything from daily essentials to high demand appliances like stoves and kettles and things like that. This can power my portable fridge for a day and a half, couple days, depending on how much the ambient temperature is. And if you're running devices that have pure inductive loads, you can get even higher wattage of 2700 watts. And it's got an amazing 1000 watt solar input, so you could charge this in 70 minutes using solar panels. BLUETTI's got an alternator charger now, and you can charge this up to 80% in 45 minutes. So there's all kinds of different ways you can charge this, powered by durable LFP battery cells. Now, lithium iron phosphate is this new chemistry that they're using in these batteries. This is not lithium ion. This is actually inexplodable chemistry. These batteries are extremely safe. The Elite 100 V2 delivers up to 4,000 charges using this new technology. And this has been out long enough to know that these batteries are amazing. They actually developed this technology in the 90s and became more practical just recently. And we are whisper quiet at just 30 decibels. The Elite 100 V2 operates at only 30 decibels under 600 watts, quieter than a library or gentle breeze, no hums, no buzz. Just uninterrupted power lets you sleep soundly, focus deeply, and relax fully. And it's got that instant UPS. If the power goes out, this will actually turn on so fast you won't even realize. It happens in 10 milliseconds. It'll keep critical devices like medical equipment, servers, and payment terminals at your business running smoothly during unexpected outages. You got the BLUETTI app. BLUETTI apps are great. It's got the guest feature, which I love, and you're locked out of the app. You can actually use guest feature to get back into your device and be able to use some of this. And right now is a real good time to pick this up. These guys actually have a really good release price, and then the price jumps back up. So since this is a newer portable power station, there's a really good price going on. You can use my promo code AdventureTech, get an additional discount on top of that. Feel free to use the links in the comments or the description to check this out, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. You can subscribe to my channel for free by clicking the subscribe button. Make sure to click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to hear about all this new tech.